Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Najiatul Fatah. I'm a Muslim girl. I live in Bangladesh. I'm studying at Botany Department in Rajbari Govt College in Bangladesh. Now I will discuss about our intention of life. Life is like a road where we have started to walk from the first step of our journey, and there is an intention. It teaches how to cross the tough situations and make it easier. Then, to bring success in life, it designed the routine of right work, which has respected, love, and hope. Willing of good work is enough for our work, making a perfect intention. According to our intention, we can decide to work in a true path. We can say good work can be done by one will that will would be made with 100% perfect concentrate. Allah make us as the best creations, Ashraful Makhlukat, and has given us the duty to maintain the rule of Quran. What Allah tells us in Quran, the book which is based on true book of science, and it has science, so it's book of science. In the Quran, there is nothing to doubt. If we have intention of every work, then our work would be done without any stress, and this intention must be for good. So here we see work which we were doing with good intention, the result of the work will be good. We will get a better life. So there is an important fact that every work should have a good intention. Thus, we can take right decision, and to get the way of the right decision, that we should read Quran. Quran is the best book in the world. It is the book of Allah's expression. What He wants to tell for the well-being of all human beings for the earth. Allah has sent Muhammad as a messenger of true science to show the right path, as we can walk in the path of peace, happiness, honor, favor, hobby, value, appreciation. The man who has fairness of Allah and knowledge, he is respected by all. This fairness giving us a conscious mind. So the fairness of Allah is very essential for us. For example, we can do any bad work if the fairness of Allah is in our mind. Before doing every work, if we judge that the work we are going to do, Allah says us, guide us, what will we do? Yes, obviously we want good work to do. If we do the bad work, Allah will punish us in this life and also in afterlife. And if we do good work, Allah is giving us a healthy and good life, and will give a lot of good prize in afterlife. We know from Surah Al-Asr, if we have 4 characteristics, that first of all, to become believer, believe in Allah, who is the one, there is no God but Allah. Second is to become good worker. Third is to share advice of good work, and fourth is to the advice of patience. These 4 characteristics will help us not to fall in danger. Thank you.